All right, guys, this video is happening because of you. A huge shout out to one of our awesome viewers who dropped a comment asking me to check these out. And an even bigger shout out to Remetrix for sending these over. Super excited to check them out. Let's see what's inside. So when you first open the box, you're gonna get instructions. It says open this first. So it says install the rim protection kit included in this envelope. So these are the things that we got to put on the back of each of those wheels. I wish they were already installed, but maybe there's a reason why they don't come installed. All right, so it shows you how to install and also how to remove if necessary. So let's put this to the side. So this is the center caps. You have all four here, and it says stop. Do not place these into the wheel until the wheel is on the car. Each one is going to be individually wrapped in this little bag. Let's take it out. So these are the Umbra black wheel covers from Rimetrix. They're sleek and stealthy and designed to add both style and function to your ride. So you're going to have 4 of these in the box, and if I'm not mistaken, there is no right or left. I believe you just pop them on as you go through the car. There's some that are directional where you have to put them on the right side, but these do not. The valve stem piece right here, or the cutout for the valve stem, so that way you know how to actually place this in there. Then once you put them on the wheel, then you get that center cap, put in there. First things first, these aren't just for looks, even though they do look pretty sleek, pretty awesome. I like them. So this design extends beyond the rim, and it protects you from that dreaded curb rash. The aero wheels that come with the car do not extend, so you are prone to getting curb rash. So if you are prone to hitting curbs, these might be your best friend. Remetrix says that these will improve aerodynamics, which in turn makes your car more efficient. I'll put in what their testing was in the screen here so you can see what it was without wheel covers, with the aero wheel covers, and then with the Umbra wheel covers. And in their tests, these were more aerodynamic and improved efficiency the most. They had a 5% boost over having no wheel covers, and then a 1% boost over the aero wheel covers, which are Tesla's OEM covers. I like these because they have a stealthy black design, modern, and have an aggressive look to them. Let's talk build quality. So these are made from PPE, which is a durable, high quality plastic blend designed for strength and resilience. And the best part, they're made right here in the US. The next step is to install the rim protector kit right along here. So we'll do that, and then we'll install them. I'm not gonna bore you with that installation of the little dampening protector kit thing. I'll just do it, and then we'll put them on. One thing I do suggest is when you are putting this on the wheel cover, because you're gonna be, upside down or facing the other way, put something under them that's nice and soft so you don't damage them. And in this one's case, not damage it any further. So let's go ahead and install this. Try to get out of the way here. We're gonna take these off, put the Remetrix ones on. Hey guys, so fast forward a week. You saw me struggle there. I could not for the life of me take those off. And I didn't have time to just keep playing there. At first I was like, I'll do all 4. And then when I got there, I tried pulling them all off, or pulling that one off. And I was like, maybe I'll just do this one for the sake of this video. I couldn't even do that. So what I did was I did some research, right? I just started looking up ways to get these off. So I went back to the website where those wheel covers come from. And on there, one of their tips was to use soapy water to remove the wheel cover, I should say. And the way they were showing it was with the aero wheels, the ones that come from Tesla, the OEM ones. So I was like, I hope it works for whatever and everything, right? So today, I actually have the time to do it a week later. Like I said, that was last Saturday. Today's next Saturday. a little time to try to get those off. So in the last video, when I changed to those wheel covers, I had washed the wheels just because, to keep them nice and clean. I think at first I said I wasn't going to, but then I said I did, just so that way we can polish them, take some videos, take some pictures, so it looks nice. And then this one, for the sake of just time, I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna do that. I'll put those on, and guess what? I did it anyways. I had to wash them because in the video it said use soapy water, so I said might as well get these washed. I did, and guess what? I got them all off. All 4 came off. The one that I was trying to take off last week first was the one I took off last today, just because, and that was actually the one that gave me the hardest problem. But what I did is I used, you know, my wheel cleaner, which I'll link down below. I believe it's called PNS, wheel and brake cleaner. A little soap and a little water. I soaked them down, and then I scrubbed them, cleaned them off like I normally would. And then when they were still wet, I hadn't rinsed them, I just pulled them off. And they were, you know, the first one came off easily, second one same, the third was a little bit harder, and the fourth one gave me the most trouble. So it must have been something kind of like really stuck in there, but that's what works. So if you need any tips on how to remove these later on, you're just gonna have to use some soapy water, whether you just douse it in soapy water, kind of move it around and not clean it and just take it off. I decided to just might as well, right? I was trying to save time, I lost time, so let's just do it right, and that way I can store these wheel covers clean, which is what I should have done. Anyways, done, they're off. Let's now put on the Remetrix wheel covers and see what they look like on. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to wash my car entirely today, probably not. So what I might just do is put those on, show you how those go on quite easily, hopefully, as they say, easily, and then we might just do a little shine on the tire for that extra pop and effect. Let's go do that right now. Like I said, here are the wheels. You've seen these before. This is what the actual wheel looks like without the wheel covers. And as you can see, there's some scuffs here, here, and I don't remember if these scuffs were here when I took the OEM ones off. They're called aero wheels, right? I forget what they're called. The ones that come with the Tesla itself. Or if these are new from these wheel covers, they do have that little foam thing, but it's pretty much all the way around. And it's well documented that the ones that come with Tesla, that come with the car, because they're metal, on metal, they do, you know, cause all these scuffs here. But like I said, I don't remember if those are, if they were there. But if you look up for here, like I have never, you know, curb rashed my wheels, but it's all over. And I am 99.9% of the time driving this car. So, you know, I don't think anybody else has. I would have seen scuffs in the wheel covers and I did not. So this is what it looks like. We'll put these on and yeah. All right, so here is the new wheel cover that we're gonna be putting on. Hopefully I'm not in the way. Hope you can see that. Put this over here. All right. So what you want to do is you want to align the valve stem here to this right over here. There we go. And then just kind of there we are. And then we just got to put the piece right in the middle, this little center cap, and that's it. That easy. And can I just say how windy it's been this year, or even until like the end of last year? Like every day, it's like gusts, super massive gusts. We've had windstorms almost once a week. It's crazy. Super windy right now. Have my little dead cat right here. That way you don't hear all that wind. But let me digress. Let me go get that little centerpiece and keep it moving. All right, so here is the wheel, the center wheel. It's the R. Let's see if it's focusing. go. Nice, nice. And in this wheel over here, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna actually bring you a little bit closer. Hopefully we can get that. See, there's 5 little things here, and then you want to align that to that. So we'll do that right now. And that is it, my friends. There it is in all its glory. The Umbra wheel from Remetrix, finally installed. I'll put these on all of them so you can see what it looks like. But I really do like these. And to take these off, you do have to get a screwdriver. And in the instructions, you'll see it says to grab like a flathead screwdriver with like a paper towel or soft cloth, so I guess you don't damage this, and just pull this off, pry this off, I should say, and pull that out, and then you'll be able to take the tire off or the wheel off. And I would assume if I do this, if I have to take these off again, I'm going to get them nice and soapy. Just wash them and then put them away. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so I put all of them on. It's obviously dark, so kind of a crappy view here. I have my little headlamp on. Hopefully you can see it. So either way, I'll take some more video tomorrow or hopefully the next day. Just some B-roll so you can see it during the day. But all 4 are on. Pretty easy to put on. It took me maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes to put them all on. And yeah, like I said, I washed the car, dressed the wheels, so now it's gonna pop. But it's hard to see because of the lighting. But if you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Questions, comments, suggestions, anything, put them down in the comment section below. I'm going to put a discount coupon or discount code down in the description so you guys can get these at a discounted price. Remetrix was nice enough to want to send these to me and also provide us with a code so you guys can get your own. Cool. See you in the next one.